Hello everyone and welcome. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to put a girder, joist, and Lally columns to support the girder. So let's start. So what we have here right now, we have our foundation wall, our footing, we have sill plates, and we have rim joist. So let's start with the girder. Let's go with the girder. So let's go to the first floor framing plan, click on it, and this is what we have. We have our framing plan here. So I want to put in a girder. So let's go to with a ribbon where it says beam, well, structure, where it says beam. Click on it, and let's see what we got. So we have dimension number. We don't have the size that I like. That's okay. We could make one up right now. So go to edit type, click on duplicate, and let's make a, I don't know, let's make a 8 by 10 girder. Click OK. So now we have to just make adjustments here. So let's make this 7.25, and let's make this 9. Actually, that's fine. So it's a 8 by 10, so 7.25 is a 9 and a quarter. So that's fine. So hit OK. And now we're going to place our girder. Click there, click there, that's fine. So we have a girder. I want the girder to be on top of the sill plate. Here you go. And right up against the rim joist. Nice. Good. Now, I believe that this rim joist has to be adjusted when it comes to elevation. So let's click on the dimensional number. I'm gonna copy that guy, the start level offset. I think the start level offset for this guy is 0. Yeah, so let's paste that guy, paste him, hit OK. So we have a girder. Let's put in a joist now too. Why not? So again, structure, click on beam. I want to go with 2 by 10s. Boom. Click somewhere around here. I don't know. Actually, I want to be pretty precise. Let's do this. Go to annotate, detail line, right? From over here, I want to go down 16 inches, right? Now, go to structure, beam, should pick the 2 by 10, okay? And I want it to be, I don't know, somewhere around here. Okay, close enough, but let's move this. Let's move, boom, boom. There you go, that's where I want it to be, okay? You could click that line now. You could delete that line, excuse me. You could delete that line. Let's make some adjustments to this joist. So you click on the joist. Let's make the joist, this face of the joist, touch the rim joist. And we're gonna use hangers. So let's pick this guy. If my if my mouse starts to work. Alright, here we go. There you go. That's what I wanted. So I have my joist. As you will see here, if I go to my section, that the joist is not where it's supposed to go. So we have to do the same thing again. Click on it. I'm gonna change the elevation. Start level. I want that. End level. Now we could copy this all the way over here. Let's do it this in this view. So click on that. Actually, I didn't mean to say copy. There's offset. Let's offset this guy 16 inches on center. You could just type it in. 16 inches is gonna make it look. It's gonna have it as 4 and 4 inches, which is okay. Now let's see if this is gonna work this way. I'm not sure. Maybe not. Oh, it is. I just don't like it that way. The fact that I can't see where it's going. So I'm just gonna stop there. Let's go to our first floor framing because I like to see like where it's gonna go, and that's bothering me. All right, so we have our joist over here. Let's actually, instead of offsetting each one, let's just copy them. Copy. And don't forget to hit the click the multiple key right here. If you don't do that, then yeah, you have to uh, click the copy button every time. When you click on the multiple, when you check the multiple, uh, I guess tab, I don't know how to call it. Uh, you don't have to click on copy over and over again. You just come and just copy choice. Copy the choice. So just continue. And let's finish it off. Hit escape multiple times. I don't need that guy. And I think there might be an extra one. Yeah, I don't need that guy neither. So I have my joist right there. Right there looks pretty good. So I don't want to do the work again. Like I don't want to, copy each one. So let's do this now. So hit Control. You click that guy. Now you zoom out a little bit. Go like around here. Actually, I do have to zoom out a little bit more. There you go. You could highlight all those joists. But don't forget to have the Control button down. You have to hold it down. I want to copy. Let's copy this guy over here. There you go. I'm not too happy that it copied a little bit over. I'm not too happy about that. Let's fix that, I guess. Happens, We're not perfect here in this world, but whatever. Has to be fixed. Let's move this guy. I don't know why I did that. It's weird. But whatever. This is not perfect, but that's okay. I mean, for teaching purposes, this is pretty good. So let's just leave as is. So you have your joist. Boom. Nice. Look, it's looking good. Now let's add in our Lally columns. So for Lally columns, I just throw in some hollow structural steel columns. So let's just go here to the first floor framing. Go to structure, go to columns. And again, I don't believe I have any hollow structural steel, like any tube. So that's okay. Hit edit type, click on load, scroll down where it says structural columns, click on that, click on steel, and I want this to be circular. So we have HSS round hollow structural section column. Click on that guy. And usually Lally columns are 3.5 inches, 4 inches. So Let me just find something similar to that. Let's go with 3.5 inches. I don't even know the thickness of a Lally column, but whatever. I'll pick this guy. Oh, seems right. 3.5, and the thickness of it is a 1/4 inch. So hit OK. Okay. So now let's place that Lally column. I don't know where. Let's place it right there for now. Here is fine. I don't know how many Lally columns we're gonna need. I'm not really sure, but let's find out. So click on annotate, and let's take the overall dimension. It's 30 feet. Let's have, I don't know, 5 Lally columns. So 30 divided by 5. In this case it's close to 31, but let's just assume it's 30. 30 divided by 5 is gonna give me 6. So let's have this 6 inches on 6 feet on center, which is not bad. We're just approximating here, so don't get mad at me. Oh, Felix, not at the correct. No, it's not. That's not right. It's 31. It's 30 feet and 10 inches divided by 6. I don't care. So I think I could click on this column, right? And then I could click here. I could just write down, or click. No, excuse me. I could just uh, put in 6, and then it adjusts this for me, which is pretty cool. Delete that guy now. I could also click on, actually, let's make sure that this column is good, because I'm gonna copy it. But let's fix some stuff. So this is our girder right here. The Lally columns protruding the girder. I don't want that. So the Lally columns is over here. I want it to be down here. So minus 10 inches. So just click on that. Click on the Lally column where it says top offset. Let's do minus 10 inches. Hit apply. And the Lally column is where it's supposed to go, which is good. Okay. So now go to the first floor framing plan. You could also do this. You could click on the Lally column. You could copy it. When you copy it, from the center line, bring it down. And you see how it says 3 feet? I think if you type in 6, it puts it there for you, which is pretty cool. It's that smart. You go right here. Right now, I can't really highlight the Lally column. If you hit tab, go click on it too, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna copy that with respect to this Lally. There you go. For a second there, I thought I lost it. There you go. I think that's it. I don't think I need anything else. Yeah, that's fine. Boom. Pretty close. So right here, we have our joist, we have our girder, and we have the Lally column supporting the girder. I could also put, you know what? I'll do this real quick. You could put in footings on those Lally columns. It's kind of hard to see, but go where it says structure, go where it says isolated, click on it. We have rectangular footing, and I don't, I just want to edit type. I just want to, let's say, I don't know, 2 by 2 by 10 inch, so 2 feet by 2 feet by 10 inch footing. Hit OK. And I believe, or maybe not. Let's go to let's go to the first floor framing plan. All right. So I'm sorry about that. Click on, go to structure where it says isolate, and I think it's gonna pick. Maybe not. Oh, you know what? I made a mistake. I never I didn't duplicate, and that's a mistake. Let's rename it. See that confusion that I just caused? So just rename it. It's just 2 by 2 by 10-inch valley. Excuse me, footing. Huh. Hit OK. In this view, I think you could just click. You know what? I don't like how it says first floor. There you go. But where it says where the Lally columns are, that's fine. It's just saying that you can't see the footing in this view, which is okay. Okay, as you can see, I have my footing for the Lally. I think within the 3D model, I think I could just come and copy it. Maybe not. But let's go to our foundation plan. I know I could do it here. Alright, let's do it the right way. So let's copy this footing, copy, 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 copy. There you go. Boom. Just like that, I have my footings. Boom. And you can see in a 3D model your footings, which is pretty cool. So you got your lallies, footings, joist, girder. I hope this video helped you out. I hope you guys learned something, got something out of this video. And I wish you guys the best and have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.